Hello and welcome to Power Up. Does the iPhone 12 really look as good in real life? What do you get included in this year's box? And what features could have been included on the iPhone but weren't? And of course, a shout out to a YouTube legend. Stay tuned to find out. Today, I'd like to start off with something a bit special. I would like to say a big thank you to one of my favorite YouTubers, Mentour Pilot. I've been a Patreon of Mentor for some time now, and I really believe his content is truly, absolutely fantastic. And of course, the community as well. It's like one big friendly family. So we had a Skype session. We had a 1-hour chat about YouTube and aviation and some of his experiences, and he passed down some YouTube wisdom on ways I can improve my videos. But then he totally surprised me at the end of the previous video, something that I absolutely wasn't expecting, by giving Power Up a shout out. I was taking it one day at a time, speaking to the tiny audience that I had, and then I woke up the next morning and the subscribers had gone up from around 34 subscribers to 150 overnight. So I want to give a massive thank you to you all. For those of you who haven't checked out Mentour Pilot before, he has a wide range of videos, from fun facts that you've always wanted to know about planes and aviation in general. There are heaps of videos to reassure nervous flyers out there, and some more technical videos for those of you who want to get into the details of it all. I'll leave a link in the description below, and also to one of my favorite videos, how you can land a passenger aircraft in 12 steps. Right, so here it is, the iPhone 12. And I have to say, wow, the box is a lot smaller than I expected. If we compare it to the iPhone 11 Pro Max, it's about half the size, I'd say. Okay, so let's open them up and see what's inside. So let's get this box open. Oh, and right away we get the phone facing down. And that green is nice. It's a lightish green mint pastel color. I really like it a lot more than I thought. Okay, let's get the screen guard off. Wow, this does feel really comfortable. I do love this, and the flat edges are really good. But I don't know if you can see, but here there's meant to be the 5G millimeter wave antenna, but it's not present on non-US iPhones. So 5G millimeter wave is only going to be available in the US to start with. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. So we have the SIM card tool, a little booklet, and only one Apple sticker. And here's the charging cable. So you can see we have a USB-C to Lightning cable. I was hoping that it would have been the rumored braided cable, which is a lot more durable. I have two temperamental Lightning chargers that sometimes choose to work and sometimes don't, so I was hoping for something a little stronger. And of course, there is no power adapter included as well. So if you don't have one of those, you might need to go out and buy one. Let's take a quick look at the blue. Oh, it does look a little different to how it looked to me in the event.
but it really still is a very nice blue. Might look a little darker maybe. But I still think this feels like such a premium product. I think the weight is a little heavier than I thought, but I think that's a great thing. It feels really comfortable. It kind of reminds me of when we upgraded from the iPhone 4 to the iPhone 5. The iPhone 4 to me had a good weight. It was such a premium feel, but the iPhone 5 to me felt a little toyish. Just didn't feel it was heavy enough. So let's see how it compares in size with the iPhone SE2 and the iPhone 11 Pro Max.
There are a few things that I would like to have seen on the iPhone 12. First off, USB-C. The MacBook Pro only has USB-C ports as it's the future, and I think it's about time that the iPhone joined that universal standard. There are rumors of a portless iPhone, which may be why Apple has held off making any changes this year. Another thing is the notch. Now I was hoping that Apple would have ditched the notch with some cool innovation, but that is yet to happen. Apple are working on some under-screen technology, so let's hope we see something on the iPhone 13. And lastly, reverse charging. This is the ability to use the back of your phone to charge your other devices. So for example, being able to charge your AirPods or Apple Watch on the back of your iPhone. Other brands have already introduced this a while back, such as Samsung with their Galaxy S10 back in March 2019. So there we have it. That's the iPhone 12. I may also be getting my hands on a 12 Pro and a Pro Max later in November. Finally, let's have a quick look at updates and news. The Oculus Quest 2 VR headset that I ordered did arrive, and I'm dying to unbox it and test it out. I've had it for a while now, but being the Apple product release season, I've had to delay it slightly. It will be coming in a video very soon. As for the PlayStation 5 pre-order, I did pay that £1 deposit to the site I bought it from, but they haven't asked me for the full payment yet or confirmed if I will be receiving that on release day. Fingers crossed that it all works out. So some of you have asked, and there will be Android reviews and comparisons to come. We'll look at new gaming consoles, some of my favorite retro consoles and games, laptops, and some other fun ideas that will also be coming. Please also drop a comment and tell me what you would like to see in future videos, and I'll be posting every Wednesday. Once again, a very big thank you to you all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. It really does mean a lot to me. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more.